Hi, my name is Yaqub. I'm representing Stanliner here at the 2023 MTE in Florida. Just wanted to give you guys a couple of pointers for guys who are starting off in the industry. Most importantly, you want to get good foundations, you want to get good training, and you want to be able to dedicate yourself to this craft. It's not something you can pick up on the side so much. You really got to commit to it, put the hours into it. Another pointer would be don't waste your money on cheap tools, and especially the metal quality matters a lot. And you're going to end up having to buy tools like these Stanliner tools, again, anyways, and have two sets of tools, one you use and one you don't. So if you spend the money in the beginning, get the quality tools, especially these Stanliner tools, which will help you develop your skills and help you get clean repairs, even from a beginner stage, because of the way these tools are designed. They spread out the force while you're pushing, so they prevent poke marks, irreversible poke marks. So good training and good tools from the beginning will start you off right.